Good afternoon, students. Now we start our chapter. We continue our chapter 8, cell structure and function. Yesterday, I will study cell shape and size. So, shell we understand about cell shape. No, shell shape. We study in shell shape that there are many types of shapes. These are spindle-like, flat, oval, irregular, disc-like, round, cylindrical, cube-like, and elongated. Now, now we will start. We will see about cell size. So students, size of cell also varies. Okay, cells size of the cells also varies. In animals, okay, when we see in animals, so the smallest cell okay, in animals, the smallest cell is mycoplasma. Okay, what? Mycoplasma. In animal cell, the smallest cell is mycoplasma. Okay, it is about 0.1 micron. The size of the mycoplasma is 0.1 micron. Okay, is that clear? Now, the largest cell in animals, the largest cell is nerve cell. Okay. Nerve cell. This is the longest cell in animals. Okay. You know the function of nerve cells? It passes the message. Okay. Which messages nerve cells get information from atmosphere and send it to the brain. Okay. Nerve cells, the size of the nerve cell is about 17 centimeter diameter. The diameter. Okay. Now we will see in the case of man. Now, in animals, the smallest cell is mycoplasma and the largest cell is ostrich egg. Okay. The largest cell in animals is ostrich egg. It is about 17 centimeter in diameter. Okay. Now we will see in condition of man. Okay. In the case of man, the smallest cell is RBC. Okay. Red blood cells. Okay. RBC, it is about 6 to 8 micrometer. And the largest cell is nerve cell. The largest cell is nerve cell. It is about up to 100 microns per porcentile. Okay. Now we will see the cell number. This is our next topic. Cell number. When we see cell number, there are two types of cells. First is unicellular and second is multicellular. Uni means one. Uni means one, means one cell organism, or we can say unicellular organism. Okay. And multicellular, multi means many. Such organism which have many cells. Many cells as human being. Okay. As human beings, as any animal, lion, tiger, cow. Now, these are multicellular animals. And unicellular as amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are unicellular organisms. Okay. The unicellular, uni means one, only single cell body. Example हो गया इसका amoeba. Multicellular, multi means many cells. Multicellular, multi means many, cellular means cells. Many cells. So, Okay. Multicellular organisms, multi-cell body means having many cells in their body. For example, man. Okay. Now we will see our next topic, cell structure. Cell structure, when we see cell structure, it is divided into two parts. Okay, it is divided into two parts. Cell membrane and protoplasm. Okay. This is a normal cell, basic cell. This is an animal cell. In this figure, we can see that the outer layer of the cell is cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane. And the liquid content of the cell, the liquid content of the cell is protoplasm. And this is also known as cytoplasm. And this is the round body inside the cell is nucleus. Okay, nucleus. So when we see cell structure, there are two main parts. These are cell membrane, the outer layer of the cell, and protoplasm. Okay, protoplasm. Now we will see protoplasm. Protoplasm, this is the living content in the cell. Okay, the living or living material of the cell. Living material of the cell, which is in liquid form, is known as protoplasm. This is also known as cytoplasm. This is further divided into two parts. These are cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay. Cytoplasm and nucleus. Or because the protoplasm has two parts, that is cytoplasm and nucleus. So this is cytoplasm and this is nucleus. Is that clear? Okay. So one question is there. Okay, who discovered nucleus and protoplast? So nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. And protoplasm is discovered by J.E. Purkinje. Okay. J.E. Purkinje. These are the scientists. Nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. And okay, now we will study cell membrane in detail. Cell membrane. Cell membrane, the outer layer of the cell. Okay, is what? Cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane. Outer covering of cell. Okay, so in this figure we can see that it is present in both cell membrane. This is present in both, either they are plants or animals. ये दोनों में ही मिलते हैं. They are found in both, either they are plants or animals. It is found in both plants and animals. Okay, कैसा है? Cell membrane is living, thin and delicate membrane. Cell membrane is living, thin and delicate means flexible. Delicate membrane है. Okay, these are the features of the cell membrane, or we can say characteristic of the cell membrane. It is semi permeable. कैसे है? Okay. It is semi-permeable, means it allows selected material to pass through them. Okay. It is semi-permeable, means it allows selected material to pass through. It is made up of lipids and protein. It is made up of lipids and protein. ये lipid और protein की बनी होती है. Cell membrane is made up of lipid and protein. Now we will see function of the cell membrane. Cell membrane. Here we see functions of the cell membrane. So first function is it provides support to the cell. It provides support ये सेल क्या करती है सपोर्ट करती है ओके exchange of materials take place because we know that this membrane is semi permeable so क्या करता है it help in exchange of materials it provides shape to the cell ये शेल को शेप देते हैं ओके so these are the functions of cell membrane it provides support to the cell exchange selected materials and it provides shape to the cell so this is a cell membrane now we will study in our next class about cell wall thank you